In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a profit and loss report in QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all of your business tools, including reports, transactions, and accounting settings. Once you're in QuickBooks, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks stores the built-in financial reports you can use to review your business performance. After the Reports page opens, go to the search bar labeled Find Report by Name. In that search field, type profit and loss. As you type, QuickBooks will show matching reports in a drop-down list. When you see profit and loss, click it to open the report. This report is one of the most commonly used financial statements because it shows your income, expenses, and overall profitability for a selected period. Once the profit and loss report is open, move to the top of the page and find the report period drop-down. This is where you choose the time frame you want the report to cover. For example, you might want to view the current month, the previous month, this quarter, this year, or a custom date range. Selecting the correct reporting period is important because it determines exactly which transactions are included in the report. Next, choose your accounting method. QuickBooks typically gives you options such as cash basis or accrual basis. This setting affects how your financial data is displayed. Cash basis shows income and expenses when money actually changes hands, while accrual basis shows income and expenses when they are earned or incurred. Be sure to select the method that matches how you want to review your financials or how your business normally reports them. After you've selected the report period and accounting method, click Run Report. QuickBooks will then generate the figures based on the options you chose. In just a moment, you'll see the completed profit and loss report on screen showing your revenue, costs, expenses, and net profit or loss for that time frame. As you review the report, take a moment to confirm that the date range and accounting method are correct, since those two settings have the biggest impact on the numbers you see. And that's it. Once you know where to find it, running a profit and loss report in QuickBooks is quick and straightforward, and it's a great way to keep a close eye on your business performance.